some reason, when I unplug the cam sensor, this car starts. The only code that's registered in the system is a cam code. I don't know what's going on with this. I've checked signals from the cam. I've checked crank signal. I've checked it at the sensor, and I've checked it at the ECM. I'm getting all the signals. I've checked fuel injector pulse. I'm getting fuel injector pulse. I've checked fuel pressure. I have fuel pressure, and I'm getting. I've checked voltage to the fuel pump. I got that. I thought initially it might have been the timing. As you can see, I mean, I don't think it's nothing to do with timing. The car's running perfect. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on. I know it's sparking. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with it now. Like you look here, I unplugged the cam sensor and the car still running. And this is a 2003 Nissan Altima with a 2.5 liter. So if anybody had this issue, please comment or contact me. Thank you.